Welcome students, online classes, Subhash English School, class 12th, subject bookkeeping and accountancy, financial statement of not-for-profit organization. In the last video, we study about receipt and payment account. Now we will see some more questions. Question number 2. Prepare the receipt and payment of Lions Club for the year ended 31st December 2016 from the following particulars. Balance of cash on 1st January 2016 rupees 7,200. You already has given in the question. Write down in the receipt side to balance BD amount 7,200. Membership fee, the club has 400 members and each member is to pay annual subscription at the rate of rupees 60 each. Total member 400, per member rupees 60 each. It is reported that 32 members did not pay the subscription for the current year. Total member 400 not paid in this current year, 32 members. So given 368 members, per member 60 rupees each paying. So 2016 368 members and 60 rupees each, total amount 22,080 rupees. 8 members have paid advance subscription for the next year. Next year it means 2017. 8 members, per member given the amount rupees 60 each, total amount 480. 2016 and 2017 total membership fee received 22,560 rupees. Rent of the club has been paid up to the month of January 2017 rupees 240 per month. Rent of the club has been paid January 2017. A year have 12 months. Since rent paid January 2017, so total month 13. 12 month of 2016 and one month of January 2017. So total month 13. 240 into 13 amount, total amount आया 3120. Salary of rupees 1200 per month has been paid up to the month of November. Salary 1200 rupees per month has been paid up to the month of November. December yet to be not paid. So total month salary 11 month. Total month 11 month, 1200 rupees per month, total amount 13,200. Furniture, an advance of rupees 1200 was paid for purchasing furniture. An advance 1200 was paid. हमारी तरफ से पेमेंट कितना हुआ 1200, तो हम क्वेश्चन में कितना लिखेंगे 1200 ही लिखेंगे. Furniture worth rupees 1000 only was received up to the end of the year. Doesn't matter. Given rupees 1200, so write down rupees 1200 rupees. Sundry expenses 360 have been paid and 36 were unpaid. 360 have been paid. हमारी तरफ से पेमेंट कितना हुआ 360, तो अपन लिखेंगे कितना 360. 36 unpaid. Unpaid it means adjustment. Adjustment, unpaid, outstanding, due but not paid work have been done. Garden expenses rupees 600 have been paid and rupees 120 were unpaid. Garden expenses 600 rupees ही लिखेंगे, 120 rupees were unpaid. Unpaid it means adjustment, outstanding इसलिए अपन इसको यहाँ पर नहीं लिखेंगे. At the end of ईयर में हम निकालेंगे बाय बैलेंस सीडी. बैलेंस सीडी कैसे निकालेंगे? टोटल रिसिप्ट अमाउंट 29,760 में से लेस करेंगे हम रेंट रुपीज़ 3120, सैलरी रुपीज़ 13,200, फर्नीचर रुपीज़ 1200, सन्ड्री एक्सपेंसेस रुपीज़ 360 एंड गार्डन एक्सपेंसेस रुपीज़ 600. टोटल अमाउंट को माइनस करेंगे हम 29,760 में, तो एट द एंड में बैलेंस सीडी जो बच जाएगा 11,280. सो दिस इज फाइनल आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. प्रिपेयर द रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट of a library from the following particulars for the year ended 31st December 2016. Cash balance on 1st January 2016 rupees 3,000 already given, so to balance BD rupees 3,000 receipt side. Entrance fee 4 rupees 500 2016 to entrance fee receipt side rupees 500. Subscription received for 2016 rupees 900 to subscription 2016 rupees 900 receipt side. Subscription for 2015 received in 2016 rupees 100 to subscription rupees 100 show receipt side. Paid rent for 2016 rupees 500 by rent payment side rupees 50. Purchase of books rupees 1,000. Purchase of books, it means payment by purchase of books rupees 1,000. Purchase of newspaper and magazines rupees 500. जितना भी हम परचेस करेंगे, पेमेंट हो रहा है तो पेमेंट साइड में लिखेंगे बाय परचेस ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर एंड मैगजीन्स रुपीज़ 500. Purchase of stationery rupees 10 by stationery rupees 10 payment side. Paid sundry expenses rupees 10. Paid it means payment side में अपन लिखेंगे by miscellaneous rupees 10. Paid salary rupees 100 by salary रुपीज़ 100. जितना भी पेमेंट होता है वो सारा का सारा पेमेंट जो होता है वो पेमेंट साइड में लिखा जाता है. जितना भी रिसीव्ड होता है वो सारा का सारा रिसिप्ट साइड में आता है. एट द एंड में बैलेंस कैसे हम फाइंड करेंगे? टोटल अमाउंट रिसिप्ट 4,500 एंड पेमेंट में बाय रेंट, बाय परचेस ऑफ बुक्स, बाय परचेस ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर एंड मैगजीन्स, बाय स्टेशनरी, बाय मिसलेनियस, बाय सैलरी, इन सभी को हम माइनस करेंगे 4,500 में. एट द एंड में जो अमाउंट हमारे पास बचेगा वो होगा बैलेंस सीडी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो इन द फाइनल आंसर वी ऑल्सो राइट नेम ऑफ क्लब, सेकेंड रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट एंड थर्ड फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31st December 2016. Okay, Thank you, students.